In a lush green field, there stood a scarecrow named Scrubby. Scrubby was made of old straw and wore a tattered hat and a coat. Every day, he watched over the crops, keeping the birds away. But at night, Scrubby wished for something more. One night, Scrubby dreamt of a magical tailor. The tailor sewed him a real coat and a hat that could talk. Excited, Scrubby woke up and found the new clothes lying beside him. He put them on, and suddenly he could speak. "Hello," Scrubby said, startling a few sparrows. The birds flew away, surprised by his voice. Scrubby laughed and felt more alive than ever before. He could chat with the wind, sing with the birds, and even tell stories to the butterflies. The other farm animals were amazed by Scrubby's newfound voice. The cows mooed in wonder, the pigs oinked in delight, and even the chickens clucked in awe. Scrubby felt special, and he shared his stories with everyone. One day, the farmer came to check on his crops. He looked at Scrubby and smiled. "You've been watching over my farm well, Scrubby. But I've been thinking, maybe you deserve something more." With a twinkle in his eye, the farmer gave Scrubby a real arm and a leg. Scrubby was overjoyed. He could now stand tall and wave at the birds, just like the other scarecrows. Scrubby continued to watch over the crops, but now he could do so with a smile on his face. He had a newfound joy in his life, and he shared it with everyone on the farm. Every night, Scrubby would dream of the magical tailor, grateful for the wonderful changes in his life. And every morning, he would wake up ready to face another day, filled with stories, laughter, and the warm sunshine. The end.